Beautiful California. Only bad thing about it is that bitches live here. I love me a bitch, man. Don't you? Don't you just love these dolphin-headed assholes? Hopefully, I don't fall for talking shit. True story. You know that's how the game go. When you talk shit, you usually gonna fall, right? Y'all probably in the comments like, oh, here we go, here we go. Nigga, that shit ain't coming, good. That shit ain't coming, good. I ain't falling a day in these AEs, even though he injured. They still won the series, bitch. Beat the fuck out them Denver Nuggets. How you doing, sir?
Good, man. How are you?
Blessed, King. Yeah, man, soak in this goddamn scenery, man. Soak it in. True story, soak it in. See the city? And y'all niggas always talking about y'all city skyline. Hey, I'm gonna tell you a secret about LA. We got multiple skylines, cuz. Look, that's just downtown. Boom! You don't even know where you at. Let me go on the high. Man, Santa Monica got their skyline. Venice got their skyline. Manhattan got their skyline. You feel me? This used to be my favorite thing. Can I zoom in? Oh, my phone keep dropping, so I'm gonna make this short. But boop, I guess that's like the weather tower. But yeah, man, find the silver lining and everything, man. Can you dig it? Mm. I'm so glad my cousin brought me out here. Look at these niggas making $1 million motherfucking transactions on the side and shit. Motherfucking millionaires.